What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. I just wanted to talk to you guys about a video I posted a while back regarding my car and what had happened on the 210 freeway near Pasadena. Now, it's been, I want to say 8 months or 9 months, and I've been debating whether I should talk about this or reveal what's come of it as far as the claim goes. And I've come to the conclusion that talking to everybody that I know that has gone through something like this, that, you know, the public should know about it, because at the end of the day, we all kind of go through all of this. Kind of, I should say, kind of, not everybody. But let's talk a little bit about it. A while back, I posted a video that I hit what looked like a pothole on the 210 freeway, and I'll drop the video right now for you guys to see. Sorry about the background noise, guys. But that pothole looking thing, whatever that was, or whatever you want to call it, essentially destroyed my wheel. Bent the life out of it. Now, I got a letter a while back, and that's why I've been holding off. I didn't know whether I should put it up, talk about it, whatnot, but I decided I should. So I'm going to read you guys a small portion of that letter and bring awareness as to what's going on. So let's get into it real quick. So I'm going to read that for you guys. What this letter says now is the California Department of Transportation cannot be held liable for damages without prior notice of dangerous conditions and sufficient time to have taken measures to protect against the dangerous condition per California Government Code Section 835B. Okay, so let's talk about this, right? We're talking about something that is on the road, and based on Google Images, Google Maps, and whatnot, because I pulled off the location off of Google Maps, the same pothole that I hit was already there back in 2023, I think it was. And again, correct me if I'm wrong. I'll post it on the video right here so everybody can see. But essentially what they want me to do, or us to do, is, let's say you see a pothole, don't run it over, park, get out, take a picture, let them know that there's a pothole, and then if in the future you run over that pothole, they'll go ahead and cover those damages. Make it make sense. But going back to what I was talking about the pothole that I hit, it was already there. It looked like they already tried to fix it, and might I say they did a shit job as far as that goes, trying to fix it. But they decided to send me this letter stating that they didn't know about it, so they're not going to cover it. What is the point of having a government portion as far as, you know, that goes into fixing the roads, us paying our taxes? What is the point of all of that if you already tried to fix it, you didn't fix it, you made it worse than what it was, or maybe possibly a little bit better than what it was, and then expect us to be able to say, oh, hey, you guys didn't know about it, and I ran it over. Next time around, let me just go ahead and park my car, take a picture of it, and then run it over, and then, you know, say that this was here, now you guys have to cover it. Make it make sense. You know, at what point or another do we go ahead and say, hey, I pay my fair share of fees and taxes to the DMV, road tax, etc., for you guys to go ahead and say, you know what, this is our fault, it was already there, we tried to fix it, but we didn't fix it, let's go ahead and make sure we reimburse the people that need to be reimbursed. I know quite a few people, maybe 2 or 3, that have come through this issue, one more than the rest. But at the end of the day, you got to look at it this way. I'm a citizen. I pay my registration, I pay my insurance, even though insurance has nothing to do with it. I pay my registration, which is a lot. Again, we do live in the state of California, so that makes a lot of sense, right? For you guys to go ahead and say, well, we didn't know about that pothole, we're not going to cover it. then what is the point of having an entity within the state that handles all this stuff? Might as well not even have it, because at the end of the day, you're getting paid off of people's taxes and you're just declining everything that you get in front of you, right? Just saying. But again, I'm not upset about it. I just wanted to bring awareness as far as what transcribed, because I did promise everybody that I would talk about it and let everybody know updates as far as what's happened with all that. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are, and let me know if you've come across this pothole on the 210, or if you've come across this horrendous job of fixing the road on the 210. Drop your comments in the comments below. See you guys on the next one.